What a lovely day. Yo!
What?
Move you and your fat dog out of here, bro.
I'm just trying to take my dog on a ride.
That's it. No.
No!
Get off. No. Get off.
No! No! My dog.
Bye. And you? And you? Fuck down those stairs.
No,
Get
sir.
down.
No. My dog.
Screw your dog, bro. No. Actually, matter of fact, bro.
Sir, no.
Matter of fact, bro. Give me your dog. Put it down right now.
No.
Where's you going? You're gonna perish with him. No, Nathan, look. Nathan, look back, bro. Get off right now. That's it.